class. Now, let us see the grammar part. Reported speech. Reported speech. So, we call it as direct indirect speech also. So, in your material it was given as reported speech. So, let us see what is the direct speech and indirect speech. First of all, direct speech. What is a direct speech? The exact conversation of between two persons with the actual words, punctuation and expression. Exact pronunciation between two persons. When two persons are talking with each other, their exact conversation with the same punctuation and the same expression. There is no change. Whatever they speak, we need to write. Even if they say who or like that. So such kind of expressions also we need to write. So that is called direct speech. That should be mentioned in the quotation marks. See this. It in the quotation marks. So whatever is said by the person will be in the same as it is in the quotation marks. So that is the direct speech. And now next one is indirect speech. Indirect speech we also call it as reported speech. The translated conversation. The translated conversation with change of pronouns, verbs and adverbs. With the change of pronouns, verbs and adverbs. For example, if you talk, whatever you speak with your friend in the class, so you will go home. After going home, you will say whatever happened in the school. Mommy, today boy, this will happen in the school between the conversation between you and you and your friend, or some incident happened in your class. You go and say to your mother or father or your brother sister, someone. So that is in the indirect speech. That is in the indirect speech. So first of all, the directly you and your friend are talking to each other. That is direct speech. And after going home, you are telling about your conversation to your mother, informing your mother. So that is indirect speech. You will change all the verbs. So all the verbs and pronouns. Your friend says you, I went to the function yesterday. But you will say after going home, he went to the function. That's why he did not come to school. So in such a way, we need to change it from direct speech to indirect speech. And that is the reported speech. First, direct conversation to indirect. We have to change. There are some rules and regulations. Before going to the rules, first of all, the first rule is reporting verb should be changed. Before going to that, I want to say you one thing, that is sentence. Sentence. Whatever we write. So we will make a sentence in English. So to change it into direct speech, to change its voice, or whatever we do, we will make a sentence. For making a sentence, what should we do? Sentence, subject, verb, object. So this is a part of the sentence. You know that very well. And how many types of sentences? How many types of sentences are there? There are 4 types of sentences. First one is assertive sentence, or we also call it as declarative sentence. That is assertive sentence. Next one is imperative sentences. Imperative sentences. Next one, interrogative sentences. Interrogative. And fourth one is exclamatory sentence. So you might think, why I am saying now about the sentence? Because if you don't know the type of sentence, you are unable to change the direct to indirect speech. That means a reported speech. To learn the reported speech, first of all you should know the sentence and then you should know the tenses. If you know these both, then only you can change the direct speech to indirect speech. And first of all, let us see what is an assertive sentence. An assertive sentence is not but just a statement. Statement. Whatever I see or whatever I experienced, whatever I heard, if I say to you, what do you say? I'll say that I went to a function yesterday. What is that? And I saw there is a mango tree in the garden. So whatever I see or whatever I experience, I'll share with you. I'll share my experience or I'll share whatever I see or I heard with you. So that is only statement. You need not not to reply anything to me. Need not to give any reply. So that is assertive sentence. That's just a statement. That's a statement. So it's a hot climate outside, I say. That's a statement. So whatever I say without expecting anything from you, whatever I say and you just say listen to me, that is an assertive sentence. And the next one is imperative sentence. Next one is imperative sentence. Imperative sentence means the sentence which you use to ask her. Ask means request or command. If you want to request, what should we use? Please. Please do it for me. Please bring it to me. Or we should command. Hey, do it. Come on, get up, go it. So these are commands and orders. And suggestions. Suggestions. You should do this. You should not do this. So suggestions. In imperative, we say someone to do it in a form of order, in a form of suggestion or advice, or in a form of request. We will ask someone to do something. So it is unlike from the assertive sentence. Assertive sentence, we never say others to do anything. But in imperative sentence, we will say some others to do something. That is imperative sentence. So please bring that book. That means I am asking them to bring the book. That is in a request form. Hey, get up. So that is the order. But I say them to stand up. So here I am asking them to do something. So such kind of sentence are imperative sentence. Next one, interrogative sentence. Interrogative sentence are nothing but questions. Whatever the question I ask you comes under interrogative sentence. Double H questions and SR no questions. Double H questions are information questions. SR no questions are confirmation questions. All double H questions. Double H. The word starts with double H. Double H. The question starts with a double H word. Is called an interrogative double H question or information question. The question starts with a helping verb. Am, is, are, was, were, will, would, shall, should, can, would. All these helping verbs. Do, did, does. So whatever. With that is called confirmation question. So two types of questions we use. Information questions and confirmation questions. Double H, SR. So these are the two types of interrogative sentences. And next, exclamatory sentence. Exclamatory. So surprise, shocking, whatever. So the sentence which used to show our sudden feelings. So show our sudden feelings is called an exclamatory sentence. We show this with the help of an exclamatory mark. Here we use a question mark. Here exclamatory. These two full stops. So these are the four types of sentences. In the whole vocabulary of English, we use these four types of sentence only. If you open your textbook and start dividing, you can divide the whole sentences in these four only. We can find these four types of sentences. So these are very important to learn before you learn the reported speech. Let us see the first one. A reporting verb should be changed if necessary. Reporting verb. Do you know what is a reporting verb? First of all, here one example was given. Let us see that. This is the reporting verb. This is the reporting verb. So here, reporting verb. What I gave you here? What did I give here? I gave here said. But if you see this is a question. Actually, if we see a question, what should we say? Should we say that it is said or asked? It is asked. Actually, we have to write here asked. But it is right even though we write here said also in the direct speech. But if we change it into indirect speech, we need to change that reporting word according to its sentence. Because the sentence, what is the sentence here? It is a question. That means interrogative question, interrogative sentence. In interrogative sentence, we have to use asked, said. Asked or questioned. Asked, questioned, inquired. So that we have to use. Asked, questioned, inquired. If it is an assertive sentence, we can say said or said. We can say said or him. You should not use. That's wrong. I said to him is equal to I told him. Told means said to. Said to. Said to is equal to told. So when it is in this assertive sentence, we should use said to or told. If it is an imperative sentence, imperative sentence means I said, you know what is an imperative sentence? Requesting, commanding. If it is a request, what should we say? What should we write here? Requested. I requested him to give him his book. I requested him to give him his book. And ordered. I ordered him to stand up. I ordered him to stand up. So like that. So if it is an assertive sentence, we have to write said to or told. If it is an imperative sentence, requested, suggested or ordered. And if it is an interrogative sentence, we have to use asked, inquired, question. And if it is an exclamatory sentence, so we can say that exclaimed. Exclaimed. That means we have to say that exclamatory sentence. Exclaimed. Exclaimed happily. Exclaimed with annoyance means anger. Exclaimed. So that's it. We say that if it is needed, we need to change this reported verb. Next one, quotation mark should be removed and a connective should be added. See that here we used quotation marks, but here I did not use the quotation mark. We should remove the quotation marks, and we have to add in place of quotation mark and this comma. We have to add a connective. What is a connective? What should again how to search for the sentence? What type of sentence is this? This is an interrogative, that to double H question. So actually in assertive sentence we have to use that. In imperative sentence we have to use to. When double H question there is no connective. When it is yes or no question and we have to use if or whether. And it is an exclamatory sentence, we have to use that. These are the connectives we have to use. And again it depends on the sentence. That's why I said you should learn the sentence before learning the reported speech. You should know the sentence very well. What type of sentence is it? You should identify first. See that it is a double H question. So that I did not know connective here. So I did not use any connective. He asked me. I did not use that. I did not use to. I did not use this if or that. Nothing I used. He asked me where. Double H word itself you used as a connective. If it is in another sentence, we have to use. I said that. He said that he was going. If it is that, it is a question. It is an answer. He said that we have to use. Like that, we have to use connectives. And that is the second rule. Third one. First person, second person pronoun should be changed into third person. First person pronoun is I and we. Second person pronoun means you. Third person pronouns are he, she, it and they. Here see once. Where are you going? You here. But here he asked me. That's why it was changed to I. So first person, second person pronouns should be changed to third person pronouns. That means he. If your friend talked to you that I went to somewhere, what did you use after going home? He went to somewhere. Because I and the singular form of you will be changed to he or she. And the plural form of you and we should be changed to they. Singular form of I and you should be changed to he or she. I, you, he, she. And we and plural you will be changed to they. So in such a way we have to change the pronoun. And the next one, verb should be changed to their past forms. If we use here in the sentence present tense, we have to use it in the past tense. And when it is changed into reported speech, the indirect speech, we have to change it into present tense to past, past tense to past perfect, V1 into V2, V2 into had plus V3. So all verbs should be changed. Will becomes would, can becomes could, shall becomes should. So all the helping verbs, do becomes did. So all V1 to V2, V2 to had plus V3. So all verbs will be changed to their past forms. Present tense to past tense. Past tense to past perfect tense. Present perfect to past perfect. So I will send a clear notes of this. Then you can understand. But listen carefully when I say. Next one. Adverbs of place and adverbs of time should be changed. Adverbs of place. Place means here. Adverb of place means here. I am standing here. When I say now, I am standing here. After going home also, shall I say that I am standing here? No. There. We use that there. Akkada. Not here. So now I am standing here. But after going home, what should I say? When I was standing there. When I was standing there, I say. So that adverb of place should be changed. Here to there. Now. I use not time now here. Yesterday I say. After 4 days also shall I say yesterday only? No. The previous day. Today I say. After 5 days or next week shall I say the same today? Today I am going to watch a movie. But next week I can't say the same word. That today I went to a movie. That today. ఆ రోజు వెళ్ళానని చెప్తాను కానీ మళ్ళీ అదే రోజుని చెప్పాం కదా మళ్ళీ టుడే అని చెప్పాం కదా. So that adverbs of time and adverbs of place should be changed according to the time. So these are the rules to change direct to indirect speech. When I give you the examples, then only you can write it well and understand. If the reported speech is given in 2 lines, that means one question and one answer, you have to add those 2 sentences with a linker like and, but, then, like that. Then you can write those 2 sentences in the same line, single line. So I will send you the clear notes with this. You can first listen to the video and copy the notes in your grammar book. Then you can do the exercise. Thank you, children.